Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see one official notice released by the University Grants Commission on 29th October 2020. So this notice is very important to the candidates who are going to apply the scholarship programs announced by the University Grants Commissions. So here the extension of timelines for online application for scholarship has been done. So UGC had invited the fresh applicants including renewals from regular and the full-time students under the following 4 schemes of the academic year 2022-21. So a couple of weeks back the UGC opened the online application form for these 4 different types of scholarship schemes, guys. So the first one is Indira Gandhi PG scholarship for single girl child, and the second one is PG scholarship for university rank holder candidate, and the third one is Ishan Uday special scheme for northeastern region, and fourth one is PG scholarship for professional courses for SC or ST candidates. So I will show you where you have to apply for these 4 scholarship schemes and what are the eligibility conditions also I will show you guys. And the guidelines of each scheme may be accessed at the National Scholarship Portal. The students who are eligible and are admitted in the recognized institutions as per the guidelines may submit their applications through this website. Okay, so if you click on this one, then you will be directed to the official website of this National Scholarship Portal, and there the online application link will be there. So before that one, you have to check the guidelines and the eligibility conditions and all these things, and then you have to apply. Okay, so next one is the portal is open since 1/9/2020 and will be open for receiving applications for fresh as well as the renewals as per the following extended timelines. So the closing date for filling online application forms by the students 30th November 2020, and the closing date for verification of applications by institutions of students including resubmission of defective applications 15th December 2020. Okay, so the students are advised to submit their online applications well in time so that their institutions are able to verify the applications within the prescribed timelines. And the eligible institutions are also advised to verify applications of their students immediately after receiving the applications on portal. It would be in interest of students if all the applicants are verified by the institutions by 10th December 2020 so that they are able to correct or rectify the defected applications by the 15th November 2020. Okay, so it is a notice, guys, and how to know the guidelines means click on that scholarship or else the National Scholarship Portal. So okay, you can enter into the official website of the National Scholarship Portal, and anyhow I will provide the previous PDF link in the description box of this video. So in that one you can click on that website that is provided, and after entering into this one click on this UGC or AICT schemes. Okay, and then go to the UGC Commission MHRD schemes. Okay, then here you can see that Ishan Uday special scholarship scheme for the northeastern region. So you can go for the guidelines and the frequently asked questions also. Okay, and here these are the individual things, guys, and here the institution verification and the defective verification and the scheme closing date is everything is given here. So if you want to apply for this one, you can apply from this official website, that is the scholarship.gov.in. Okay, so please share this video to your friends and make them aware about the scholarship schemes. Okay, and for more notifications please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end the course is going to be finished, and by the starting of the November month you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.